Imagine a president's funeral interrupted by a parrot cursing so loudly it had to be removed. Welcome to Andrew Jackson's final farewell. Yes, the 7th President of the United States, known for his fiery temperament and controversial policies, had a pet parrot named Pole that matched his notoriety with a colorful vocabulary. At Jackson's funeral in 1845, Pole reportedly squawked a string of obscenities so shocking that it left mourners in disbelief and laughter. This unexpected twist at a somber event added an eccentric footnote to Jackson's legacy. The parrot, originally intended to amuse and entertain, ended up making history by embodying Jackson's larger-than-life character. It's a wild reminder that even the last respects to a president can break from decorum in the most unexpected ways, proving Jackson's influence was felt in life and beyond, feathered and foul-mouthed.